AI is revolutionizing the way we make money. It's not just for tech giants anymore. Even individuals can leverage it to build wealth. From creating AI-powered businesses to using AI tools for personal projects, there are numerous opportunities. Whether you're looking to boost your income or start a new venture, AI can help you scale faster and more efficiently. AI is also transforming the gig economy. If you're a freelancer, you can use AI to streamline your workflow, create more value for your clients, and take on more projects. Tools like AI-powered project management software, invoicing systems, and time-tracking apps can help you stay organized and deliver faster results. Have you considered becoming an AI educator? As more people look to learn about AI, there's a growing demand for courses, tutorials, and coaching. Whether it's teaching people how to use AI tools or explaining how AI impacts various industries, you can monetize your knowledge by creating educational content. AI can also help you create passive income streams. For example, you can develop AI-powered websites that generate income through ads, affiliate links, or product sales. Once set up, these systems can run on autopilot, earning you money with minimal maintenance, allowing you to focus on other ventures. Have you considered AI in the healthcare sector? With AI-driven innovations in telemedicine, diagnostics, and healthcare management, there are many opportunities to invest in or create businesses in this industry. AI is here to reduce costs, improve care, and enhance medical practices, creating profitable opportunities. AI can also be applied to the entertainment industry. You can use AI to create music, design video games, or even write scripts. These AI-generated creations are in demand, and platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and other media outlets pay for high-quality, engaging content. If you're a developer, building your own AI-based application is a great way to monetize your skills. Whether it's a productivity tool, an AI-powered chat bot, or a custom solution for a niche market, you can develop applications that solve problems and generate revenue through subscriptions or one-time sales. AI can also be used to improve your personal productivity. By using AI to automate your daily tasks, such as scheduling, emailing, and organizing, you can free up more time to focus on money-making activities. The more time you save, the more opportunities you have to increase your income. Don't forget about AI in the field of content moderation. As more businesses move online, they need to manage user-generated content effectively. AI-powered moderation tools can help businesses remove harmful content quickly and efficiently, opening up opportunities for people to build AI-powered moderation services. The power of AI in data analysis cannot be overlooked. AI tools can process large amounts of data and provide actionable insights, making it easier for businesses to make smarter decisions. Whether it's in finance, marketing, or sales, using AI-analyzed data can help you unlock new revenue streams. With AI's ability to optimize advertising campaigns, you can make money by running paid ads for businesses or helping them improve their ad performance. AI tools can help you target the right audience, create compelling ad copy, and even automate A/B testing, saving you time while maximizing results. AI can also be used to create and sell digital products. You can create ebooks, courses, stock photos, or design assets with the help of AI tools. Once these products are created, you can sell them on platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or your own website, generating a passive income stream. The world of AI-driven trading is booming. By using AI-powered algorithms, you can analyze market trends and make smarter investment decisions. Whether it's in stocks, crypto, or Forex, AI tools can give you an edge and help you make profitable trades more efficiently. AI can also be a valuable asset in the e-commerce space. You can use AI to optimize your online store, automate customer support, and even predict trends. By using AI to manage your e-commerce business more efficiently, you can increase sales and reduce overhead costs. One of the easiest ways to monetize AI is by offering AI-based services. You can offer AI consulting, custom AI solutions for businesses, or even create AI-powered chatbots for customer service. With the increasing demand for AI, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for expert assistance.
Consider building a subscription-based service around AI. By creating exclusive content, such as AI tools, templates, or guides, you can charge a monthly fee for access. This business model allows you to generate recurring revenue while providing value to your audience. If you're in the creative field, you can use AI to assist in generating art, music, or literature. AI tools can help you break through creative blocks and produce content that resonates with your audience. You can then sell your creations or offer them as part of your portfolio. AI is also changing the way we approach customer service. By implementing AI-powered chatbots or virtual assistants, businesses can offer 24/7 support, improve response times, and provide a more personalized experience. You can offer your services to set up and manage these systems for companies. The potential for AI-driven content creation is massive. If you're good at writing, you can use AI to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and even entire books. This can save time while still producing content that resonates with your audience, making it easier to grow your business. AI is rapidly transforming industries such as real estate. By using AI to analyze market trends, predict property values, and automate tasks like lead generation, you can increase your profits in the real estate space. AI can also be used to build property investment portfolios. Another powerful way to make money with AI is through affiliate marketing. You can use AI tools to analyze trends, optimize your content, and track which products are most likely to convert. By leveraging AI to enhance your affiliate marketing strategy, you can increase your commissions and earn passive income. AI is also transforming the gig economy. If you're a freelancer, you can use AI to streamline your workflow, create more value for your clients, and take on more projects. Tools like AI-powered project management software, invoicing systems, and time tracking apps can help you stay organized and deliver faster results. Consider becoming an AI educator. As more people look to learn about AI, there's a growing demand for courses, tutorials, and coaching. Whether it's teaching people how to use AI tools or explaining how AI impacts various industries, you can monetize your knowledge by creating educational content. AI can also help you create passive income streams. For example, you can develop AI-powered websites that generate income through ads, affiliate links, or product sales. Once set up, these systems can run on autopilot, earning you money with minimal maintenance, allowing you to focus on other ventures. Have you considered AI in the healthcare sector? With AI-driven innovations in telemedicine, diagnostics, and healthcare management, there are many opportunities to invest in or create businesses in this industry. AI is helping to reduce costs, improve care, and enhance medical practices, creating profitable opportunities. AI can also be applied to the entertainment industry. You can use AI to create music, design video games, or even write scripts. These AI-generated creations are in demand, and platforms like YouTube, Spotify, and other media outlets pay for high-quality, engaging content. AI can optimize various processes in business, making it easier for entrepreneurs to scale their operations. From automating marketing campaigns to optimizing inventory management, AI can help reduce human error and maximize profits. You can use AI to improve your operations and enhance customer satisfaction. With AI's power and automation, businesses can drastically reduce operational costs and increase productivity. Whether it's automating payroll, customer service, or inventory tracking, AI tools can handle repetitive tasks and free up employees to focus on higher value activities. AI can help you predict market trends and consumer behavior, providing a competitive edge in business. By leveraging AI tools to analyze data, you can make informed decisions about product launches, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns, increasing your chances of success. The potential for AI to make money is limitless. By leveraging AI tools, you can unlock new income opportunities, automate tedious tasks, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a freelancer, AI is here to help you increase your earning potential and grow your business.